Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asian and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this gorgeous Unice wig. It came out super cute. So definitely stay tuned until the end of today's video to see the results, how I got my hair like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow my social medias if you haven't. And then we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright YouTube, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with today's video. So this video is sponsored by Unice. They did go ahead and send me, of course, everything that's in here, the wig and everything. So we're gonna open her up. They did send these little stickers. It is kind of my skin tone. I've never used these before and I don't know how to use them, so I'm not going to use them, but it does say bye bye knots on the side and they gave me a whole lot of them. They did also send 2 elastic bands, which I love. These are the thin ones. I've never had any thin ones before, but I really honestly don't like the thick ones. I feel like they just cover too much of my forehead and stuff like that. So they did send some thin ones, which I love. I'm very excited to use. They did send a HD wig cap. Of course, y'all seen I already put mine on. Mine is HD. So it's also pretty good that they sent, a wig cap for the wig, but I already prepped myself up. And then they did go ahead and send an edge brush. Now, I've never seen an edge brush like this. I think the top part pops off because it did come with like a little attachment and of course a rat tail at the bottom. Comb on one side, brush on the other. Like I said, I've never seen one like this, so this is pretty cool. And then they did send a fat lace melting band, whatever, elastic band, which I'm most likely not going to be using. I'll use the thin ones because I do love the thin ones. But yeah, now the last thing they did send, of course, is the wig. The wig is nice and packaged. We're going to take her out. This is what she is looking like. She is pre-curled, pre-colored. It does have the color, as you can see. It's also pre-cut. The knots are pre-bleached, and of course it's pre-parted and pre-plucked. So basically the wig is ready to go on your head, which I love. I hate to do like wig prep and I have to, bleach the knots, pluck it, all that extra work, y'all. I hate it, but I will have to do it if I have to. But Unice, they save you sometimes. So we're gonna undo this. So this is how the lace is looking so far. It is pre-cut. There is a band on the inside and there's also an elastic at the bottom. I've never experienced a wig like this before, so I'm kind of excited to see how it's going to hold up and how it's going to work. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started with today's video. And I'm just going to go ahead and plop on the wig to see what it's looking like. Now it does have a comb, like a little clip in the back. So I am going to clip that underneath. Ooh, it's a little tight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab. Now I'm gonna use this to wipe off anything on my hairline. Now because I already put my ball cap on, I do put makeup on my ball cap to make it look like my scalp. So there is makeup on my hairline. I'm gonna wipe that so the glue can glue without any issues. Now for today's video, I am going to be using Bold Hold. Not sponsored by Bold Hold, but that's just the brand that I've always been using, and I do need to get a new bottle because this one's going through it. And I'm gonna dot off right on the top of that ball cap. And I'm not going to go all the way down to my ears like I usually would because this is not a 13x4 lace front wig. It does stop like right here. So it makes no sense to put the glue that far down if we're not going to be gluing anything there. And I'm going to smooth out this glue. You do want to make sure that it is even so it can dry evenly without any problems. just like that. And then we're gonna wait until this turns clear before you apply any other layer or before you apply the wig. I think I'm only gonna do one layer of glue today just because I don't wear my wigs for long. Y'all should know this by now. I wear my wigs for like a day, less than a day, 2 days, 3 days max. So we're gonna go ahead and let this dry clear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig. All right, so now that the glue is dried, about like 90% clear, over here is still a little bit white. I like to go ahead and put on the wig. You can wait till it's 100% clear if you would like. I just, I'm gonna rush. So I'm gonna take it from the middle because it does have a middle part, so I know where the middle is. And I'm gonna pull it, and I'm gonna relax my head, my face, and I'm gonna put it right where I want it in the middle. Just like that. Now we're gonna move on to the left side or the right side. You can pick a side. Both have to be done. Move all that hair out of the way, and I'm gonna basically grab it, and we're gonna pull it, hold it taut. I'm trying to get a grip. Hold it taut, and then we're gonna put it in the glue. Now, because I didn't put the glue all the way down here, it's not going to stick down there. Same for this side. So what I am going to go ahead and do, I'm going to take my popsicle stick, and I'm going to place some glue on top of it. And I'm going to go ahead and basically put the glue where it needs to go. So you see it goes right there. I'm going to go ahead and take some of that glue. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the other side. Add some more glue on the popsicle stick. See where it lays down. And then we're going to let that dry. And I'm going to go ahead and take the elastic band, and we're going to put it on the tightest setting. And then we're going to go ahead and let the band melt our lace. This is going to be the first melt. So we're going to let that sit in for at least 30 minutes. If you could do more, do more. If you can't, you just can't. So during this time, I do like to go ahead and style the hair. But since the hair is already styled, there's not much for me to do. So I'm just going to come back when the 30 minutes is up. Alright, YouTube, it's been about 25 minutes. I'm going to take this damn band off. Ooh. Alright, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is proceed with our second mount. So I'm going to use this spritz. This is just regular spritz, and I spray it on my fingers, and then I tap it onto the lace. And then after the spritz, I am going to go ahead and take just a little bit of my foundation and put that on top of that. Now, I usually like to let this band sit in for at least 15 minutes. Since it's spritz, honestly, the spritz is kind of like technically already dried. So the band is really supposed to, help it melt down, but it shouldn't take 30 minutes like the first melt did. So, yeah. I know it hasn't been 15 minutes, but, well, here we are. So we're gonna take this off. She's looking good, how it should be looking. So this is going to be, wait, let me put on some lip gloss before I do my outro. Alright YouTube, so this is going to be the final look for today's video. The wig came out super cute. Edges, slayed, lace melted. The hair is definitely giving. So shout out to Unice for sending me this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you watched from the beginning to the end. I hope this video helped you in somehow, some sort of way. Go ahead and follow my social medias. I'm going to put them on the screen, and then I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Bye.